Huh? It's too soon to be dark. Oh no! Sand cloud! Cera? Guys?
Oh, Petrie feel bad.
Spike 2. Me 3. I miss Littlefoot.
Petrie, hate wind.
Petrie! Help! Hurry, Spike! Hurry!
Guys?
Sand cloud!
Don't tell me you're thinking about going back out there. That's a sand cloud, in case you didn't notice.
My friends are out there.
Well, then you best hope they find some shelter like you.
You don't understand. They're only out here because of me.
Well, getting yourself killed is not a way I ever heard of showing you care. Nothing you can do but wait out the storm. Nope, not dead. You still got time to grow up and learn to listen.
Aww.
Ducky? Spike? Petrie? Who's there? Spike? What are you doing sneaking up on me? Where's Ducky?
Here I am.
Good. What about Petrie?
The wind took him away.
Oh, great. I guess we'll have to look for him.
What about Littlefoot?
He's probably far off by now. I'll bet he missed the storm.
I do not know.
Well, I do. Let's go find Petrie.
The storm covered everything with sand. Which way?
That way.
I do not think that's right. No, no, no.
Well, I say it is. Come on.
Petrie? Petrie!
Where is he?